Like when my son, Nandara Mafal, goes to Namisindwa, so the road is bad. Yes, but you are the one who delayed it because you are the one who was in Parliament prioritizing salaries and allowances for yourselves. Nandara Mafal. Mugisha Muntu. Kyagulanyi have no right to speak about anything because they had a chance to show either think or support what is correct, and they never did it. There's another one also called Munyagwa. I think he was also there. So these voices, you should be careful about them. Because first of all, they malign, they suppress our achievements. Expose the lies of the people who don't know what, who don't know. Maybe they know either working for foreign interests or working for bad local interests, or sometimes maybe they don't also know.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.